Just look, 45 scenes are automatically generated simultaneously, and you can create over 100 or even 200 scenes while keeping the same characters. Isn't that amazing? Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to create professional videos with consistent characters and make everything fully automatic. So watch until the end to learn all the detailed steps. For example, we want to create videos like the ones this channel makes. It's very popular these days. Their videos have almost no dialogue, just motion videos where everyone understands the story simply by watching. First, go to Google and search for Veo Automation Auto Veo on Google Flow extension, then add it as an extension. After that, open ChatGPT because we'll use it today. Then we'll take the Topic Ideas prompt. As you can see, we have many prompts for generating topic ideas, scene prompts, character prompts, image prompts, video prompts, and also other things like titles, tags, thumbnails, and many more tools that help create professional videos. And if you want these prompts, just type Lucas in the comments and I'll send them to you. We'll take the first prompt and paste it into ChatGPT, and it will give us 15 ideas, for example. We choose idea number 4. Then we take the second prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and in the brackets we put the title of the idea we selected. Then press send. You'll see that it starts creating scenes and can generate more than 200 scenes for you. Then we take prompt number 3 and paste it into ChatGPT, and it starts generating the characters. Now we go to Veo Flow Automation from the top. I'll explain it simply so anyone can use it. First, you'll see that there are 5 methods for images and videos. We'll choose text to image, then later we'll use image to image. Here you select how many images it should generate from each prompt, and here you choose the folder name where the images will be downloaded automatically. After that, go to Settings. As you can see, the settings are simple and don't need much explanation. Max retries on failure means the number of retries it will attempt if it fails to generate an image the first time. Setting it to 2 is more than enough. Then click Save Settings. Now we go back to the main interface. Here you choose the delay time between generating one image and another. It's better to keep it between 10 and 25 seconds if you're generating many images, so Flow doesn't suspect you're using automation. Now we'll start creating the characters. We go to ChatGPT, take each character description from here and paste it into the prompt section here. Then we repeat the same process for all characters. Always remember to leave an empty line between each prompt so Veo Automation can separate them correctly. Then scroll down and click Run. As you can see, it starts generating the characters automatically. The character generation is finished, and as you saw, it automatically downloads them into the folder we selected. Then we rename the characters. As ChatGPT gave us the names, we take the first name and assign it to the first image. Great, now we've named them all. Now we take prompt number 4 and give it to ChatGPT, and it starts generating image scenes. As you can see, it created 25 scenes, and you can continue generating the remaining scenes until the end. Just type Next, and it will continue generating the rest of the scenes. After that, we go back to Flow again and choose Image to Image. We select the images we'll upload, then upload the characters, go to ChatGPT, and take the scenes. I'll only use a few scenes so the video doesn't become too long. Always remember there must be a blank line between every prompt. And make sure the scene numbers written here match the actual scene numbers, so you can see what happens if there's no blank line. It generated only 44 scenes instead of 45, so always pay attention during this step. Then enable this option because it automatically places every character in the correct position. Choose the folder name again, then click Run. Now it starts generating the scenes. As you can see, the scenes have consistent characters. I stopped it so the explanation doesn't take too long for you. Then we take this prompt again for creating videos and paste it into ChatGPT. And it starts generating the video scenes.
Now to create the video, search for Veo Automation extension and add it as an extension too. Then open Meta AI, because you need to log into a Meta account using Facebook.
Then open it in Meta AI. As you can see, the interface is similar to Veo. From here, choose Frame to Video, then upload our images for creating videos. Here, we paste the prompts that ChatGPT gave us for video generation, then click Run. After that, it starts generating the first video. As you can see, it has already generated it. And that brings us to the end of the video. Now you've learned how to create images and videos automatically. So if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. See you in the next video.